Learn how to get paid to test apps. Listen to what these two users thinks.
Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you about a way that you can make money online with AppCoiner. I've been using it recently and it's been great. It's been easy and quick to use. Basically what AppCoiner do is they send you a database of apps. You choose whatever app you want to review. You download the app, you test it, you write a short review on it, you submit it, and then you get paid. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple, and I'd recommend it. It's been one of the better ways to make money online that I've seen lately in comparison to a lot of other sites and apps that you get. So I'd recommend AppCoiner.
So I came across this new website called appcoiner.com where you can actually make money testing and reviewing new apps. And I use a ton of apps all the time, so I thought, what the heck, I'll give this a shot. I'm already using these apps, why not get paid for it? And I'm really glad I did because I have a lot of fun testing out new apps. And I'm making some extra cash every week too, which is definitely not a bad thing.
To learn more, just click on the link below.